Hello students, now we have already learned about proper fractions and improper fractions. Improper fractions are fractions whose numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator are called improper fractions. इसका मतलब है कि improper fractions वो fractions होते हैं जिसका numerator जो है वो denominator से बड़ा होता है या same होता है. Now we will move forward towards the mixed fractions. Now, only improper fractions can be converted into mixed fractions. अब improper fractions कौन से होते हैं जिसका numerator denominator से बड़ा होता है या तो फिर same होता है. Now for example, here we have taken 5:4. 5 is numerator and 4 is denominator. 5 is greater than 4. So this is an improper fraction. So this can be converted into mixed fraction. Now let us see how can we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So first, an improper fraction that can be expressed as a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Mixed fractions are always greater than 1. Now what is mixed fraction? It is an improper fraction that can be expressed as a whole number and a proper fraction. Mixed fractions जो है कौन से fractions के possible है? Improper fractions के. But mixed fraction में जब हम उसको convert करते हैं तो वो conversion जो है वो जो mixed fraction जो है वो कौन से form में आ जाएगा? One whole number and a proper fraction. Now let us see how. 6 by 5, 7 by 4, 11 by 3, 9 by 2. Now all these fractions are improper fractions because all the numerators in all the fractions are greater than its denominator. Now if we want to convert any improper fraction into mixed fraction, how can we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction? Let us see. Here one example is given of an improper fraction 5 by 3, or you can say 5:3. Now we have to convert 5:3 into mixed fraction. Now what we will do? We will first divide the numerator by the denominator. So we will divide 5 by 3. We will divide 5 with 3. Now we get 2 as remainder and 1 as our quotient. So we get 1 as quotient and 2 as remainder. Now write the mixed fraction with the quotient as the whole number and proper fraction with the remainder as numerator. Proper fraction with remainder as numerator and divisor as denominator. अब इसको हम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में कैसे लिखेंगे? पहले हम लोगों ने डिवाइड किया 5 को 3 से, यानी कि न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से, तो हमें क्वोशंट क्या मिला 1, रिमाइंडर मिला 2. अब उसको मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में लिखना होगा तो हमें होल नंबर क्या होगा हमारा, जो भी हमें क्वोशंट मिला है वो क्वोशंट है 1, तो 1 विल बी आवर होल नंबर, रिमाइंडर एज न्यूमरेटर, our remainder is 2, so 2 will be in the numerator and divisor as denominator. What is the divisor? Divisor is 3, so 3 as denominator. 3 will be always denominator will be always same. Whatever improper fraction we would be given in the mixed fraction, if we convert them, the denominator will always remain the same. Only the whole number which we have returned will be our quotient and the remainder which we get after the division, the remainder will be our numerator. Now let us see another example. 15:7. Now we have to convert this fraction, this improper fraction, into mixed fraction. So what is our first step? We will divide 15 by 7. So here we have divided 15 by 7. What we get? 2 as quotient and 1 as remainder. So whatever quotient will be there, it will be our whole number. So 2 will be whole number. Remainder would be our numerator. So 1 is our numerator and denominator will be same. Or you can say divisor would be our denominator. So 7 would be the denominator. So 15:7 can be expressed as 2 with whole number and proper fraction as 1:7. 2 1:7. Now conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. We have seen conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now mixed fraction into improper fraction. मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन ये फॉर्म में होता है, एक होल नंबर और प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, उसको हमें इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो व्हाट विल डू, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन विथ होल नंबर इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. डिनोमिनेटर को हमें होल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो व्हाट इज डिनोमिनेटर हियर इन द फ्रैक्शन? 5. व्हाट इज द होल नंबर? 1. सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 5 विथ 1. We get 5. Now next step is to add the product to the numerator of the fractional part. उसमें हमें प्रोडक्ट में जो आंसर मिला हमें 5, उसको हमें न्यूमरेटर से ऐड करना है. So what we get? 5 plus 3 which is equals to 8. Now 8 will be the numerator of the required proper fraction, improper fraction, and denominator will be same. So our answer is 8 by 5. Simply what we have done, let us see. Simply what we have done, we have just multiplied 5, that is denominator, with the whole number. Whole number is 1. So we have multiplied 5 with 1. We get 5. Then we have added the numerator 3. So 5 cross 1 plus 3, which gives us 8. And denominator we have kept same. So अगर हमें कोई मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन दिया है, उसको हमें इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 5 into 1 plus 3, वो हम न्यूमरेटर में लिख देंगे और डिनोमिनेटर तो हम सेम ही रखने वाले हैं, तो डिनोमिनेटर विल बी 5. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, 3 is whole number and 1 is to 4. Now convert this into an improper fraction. So what we will do here, 4 into 3 plus 1. We will keep this in numerator. 4 into 3 plus 1 in the numerator. And denominator में 4. Denominator will be same. So 4 into 3, that is 12 plus 1, which is equals to 13. So 13 by 4 is our improper fraction.